Friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys how can we on do not disturb in our Poco phone. Friends, we want to on guys your do not disturb setting in your Poco phone. So how can you on do not disturb in your Poco phone? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like my video guys. So first of all guys, we will on our phone setting to on guys do not disturb. Then guys scroll it friends, you can see your sound and vibration guys. Tap here guys. So we will scroll it friends, you can see your do not disturb setting friends you want to on. So you can on from here. After on guys, you can see guys your calls and notification will be silent. So like that guys, you cannot use guys your call and notification ringtone setting guys. And guys your do not disturb mode will on in your Poco phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.